Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your Earbuds CMF Buds Pro 2. You have to start by open Nothing X application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it. Now scroll down and you need to find About and tap on it. And right here we have software version. Firmware is the same as software, so you can check it here or you can check it the updates and check it also right here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.